Hello guys, Aisha here from Pink Tags. Today I'm here with a short and easy Photoshop tutorial. Hope you guys like it. First, I'll show you to make a small sticker, very easy one. And then first of all, go in File, New. You can set the dimensions as you want. I'm setting as white in the contents part. Okay. I'll put a background shape just to give it a bit more. Let's choose a butterfly only. And color, I set it as pink, my favorite color. You might as well know that. Okay, it's done. We can change the size later on. Okay, it's done. I want to write on the... Just a second, yeah. I want to write on the top, so in opacity, I'll lower it down a bit. To here. And then this would just work fine for me. I'll make a new layer to write the text. So yeah, I'll choose this as ink-free font style. Change the font color to a black. From here, let's position it well. I'll create a new text box for another word. Because I want to change how it looks. Be happy. Let's lower this down. This would be fine. I want to rotate it a bit, so I'll go into Edit and Free Transform. This looks good. Enter. And I'm kind of done with my sticker. Hope you guys like it. And be happy. Don't forget to subscribe also. Bye.